glue in here. I'm a genius.
Welcome back to Teknikolor Sunglasses Kids. I'm Anna.
And I'm Cara.
And today we're doing Finish My Slime.
So here we have all the ingredients. Then one person will leave the room.
And the other will add some ingredients to a bowl, but they won't finish it.
And then the other person will come back and try to guess which ingredients the other person put in, then try to finish the slime.
So let's get started. All right, rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Okay. I'll leave.
What do we want? Did we do some clear? By putting some white glue on the spoon or something? This is so much glue. I think that I'm gonna add a little bit of this blue because Anna doesn't really like pink that much. So I'm not really that rude. Since this glue isn't that strong, I might add some more of this glue. It's a little glitter glue. Don't do that. So I'm going to put my triggers in the corner when the glitter is open and I'll shoot them. And so I'm going to call her and I have one of these open and she's going to come out and she'll want to see me close it. It's a pretty good trick. I know. Sorry, my glove which times I'm just looking. I'll give it. You know what? I'll give it a bunch of lotion. And wait, I think when I put white glue in here. I'm a genius. There's like nothing in here. Hopefully this looks good. There's more lotion.
All right, what do we have here? Okay. It looks like clear glue. Maybe some water, I think. Looks like there might be a little bit of like lotion or white glue or something. There's like blue paint or like one of these blue glitters maybe. All right, I am going to add, I'm gonna add, I think, some of this green glitter. Just add, not a bunch. And so, that's what I have. Oh, that looks pretty nice. Kind of like toothpaste or like mint if it was green and blue colored. I'm just gonna add a bit of this iridescent one. Alright.
Okay, want me to tell you what was in it?
Not yet. I need to activate it. I hope there's not already activator in it because that wouldn't be very good. Alright. Just a little bit at a time. Because I don't want to overactivate this one. Did you add some magical liquid? Maybe? Can't tell. Because it looks like watery and not thick like magical liquid is. I'm gonna take some of this. What?
I don't know. So there was some clear glue. I put a bunch of lotion in it.
Ah.
I put some of this in it. I also put this one in it. Also, I put some of this in it.
Oh.
I didn't put any paint or water.
Oh. So you must have.
And I made it look like white glue by adding a bunch of lotion. That's why.
Yeah, I could tell that it wasn't like completely clear because it was like a bit foggy. So let's just add some more of this. Ah, I can definitely smell the lotion. It looks pretty though. Here. It's still a little bit sticky, but I think let's go on to the next one. Alright guys, the first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add, I think, white glue, but I'm not gonna add too much. Okay, that should be good. Now, I'm going to add some of this lotion. I'm gonna add like a lot. Not too much, but like enough put in like maybe half the thing of water. So it'll be jiggly. But then I'm gonna mix it in. So hopefully it like looks like glue. Doesn't stir it too hard. She hopefully won't notice. Now I'm gonna take some of this gold. Just gonna squirt. I'll do some red glitter. The top of glitter, a bit of yellow, a bit of this. Cara!
White glue, yellow glue, pink glue, some lotion, and a bunch of red glue.
Glue? That's not glue.
I mean red glitter. Definitely added like water. I need to activate it. I think that's all. So I'm gonna activate it.
How do you know the water is in like contact lens solution and I just added lotion?
Because then it'd be activated right now.
Well, maybe I just didn't mix it up.
Well, I just did mix it up.
Alright, you're right.
Opened it. That looks worse. I'm gonna add a little bit of this glitter. And I'm gonna add some of this to make it pearly.
Alright.
Was that right?
Yeah. your craft. All right, how's it looking?
It's pink, and there's a bunch of red glitter in it.
Okay,
it's not
activate
I already sort of activated
Did you add that?
Yes.
We'll add
And then
I'd say my slime is like super good. It's nice and stretchy, and you can probably make a bubble with it.
my slime is pretty stretchy.
All right, is it done?
It's done.
All right,
It's
looks
very
pretty
stretchy.
good. Mine is super stretchy too. All right, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.